Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix installed apps not showing on home screen issue on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings app. Now here scroll down and in settings click on apps and then here search One UI home. So open this app and here scroll down and click on the storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of One UI home. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data, click on clear data and then click on delete. So after clicking on delete, the installed apps not showing on home screen issue will be resolved. So that's how you can fix this issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.